Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a standard range battery, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a max trailer tow package and the Pro Power Onboard 9.6 kilowatts. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a tailgate step with this vehicle as well as a bed camera, the nice Lightning logo, with a nice black extended gripped running board with a side view camera, spotlight, blind spot detection, turn light indicated, a nice place to plug in your vehicle as well. And moving to the front here, we do get that nice signature LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice faux grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a mega-powered frunk, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. Even gives you an example there. You can put your golf clubs in it. You do get a light that you can turn on or off, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You do get some storage under here with a mobile power cord, which is pretty handy, and you do get your Pro Power Onboard just right here as well. You got your outlets, you can turn it on or off, and all that fun stuff. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice gray cloth interior. You got floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back as well, cup holders, USB-Cs, rear vents, and 120 volt. You even get a tire pressure system as well, and a split folding rear bench, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly powered driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw on the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 49 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-up steering wheel, talk-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get our main menu, which has My View, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select that is collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage there with some outlets, your center console here that is lockable, and you do get more storage underneath as well, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Clicking here, you do get a 360 view of the vehicle, which you can go for different camera angles. You have your hazards and traction, storage below, storage above, storage right here. And looking at our main screen here, you have your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power Onboard, zone lighting, vehicle settings, charge settings, all that jazz. Apps or any apps you may download show up right here with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, public charging, which is perfect for in case you need a public charger, settings, features of the vehicle such as your drive modes, which do have normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, one-pedal drive, lock-in differential, hill descent, Pro Power Onboard, trip, charge settings, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG11495, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.